So in this video, I will talk about what can be done thanks to Pricefx capabilities in pricing and how Euromaster managed to improve its maturity in terms of process. In our retail world, for our daily customers, we need to update price twice a week at minimum to be competitive. I'm Sztajn, I'm Group Pricing Director at Euromaster. This is a European brand dealing with car maintenance and Tyre fit services. We are a subsidiary of Michelin with 2,700 points of sale in 18 countries. Before this life, I was working at Air France at revenue management, so state-of-the-art with a lot of complex process and really exciting strategies in terms of pricing and revenue management. Pricing challenges at Euromaster. I will share with you the 6 main challenges we have at Euromaster in terms of pricing. I can mention the impact of inflation, the competitive landscape, of course, the evolution of the customer need, defining what is the right value for our customers, what is the right balance between margin and volume, and share the best practice within our countries, and how Pricefx can help us this way. The impact of inflation. In Europe, we faced in last years some high level of inflation. With some countries with double-digit inflation a year, it's really key to be able to update our price on a regular basis, even more better than before. We need to adjust our price depending on the segment of customer we address. However, in our retail world, for our daily customers, we need to update price twice a week at minimum to be competitive. It was impossible for us to do such an update of price with our Excel sheet that we were using in the past. And thanks to Pricefx and the capabilities we have with this tool, we can now move in a very agile way of updating our price. Competitive landscape. The competitive landscape has evolved in our industry significantly in last years. We have more and more online pure players, and we need to adjust our strategies depending on the segment we address. For this competitive landscape, the price analyzer module really helps us to have a clear view on how we are positioned in a very dynamic and strong competitive landscape. Evolving customer needs. The customer needs has evolved recently. Now you have more and more online opportunities for you as a customer to check the price. You can have some online pure players, you have some very good brands, and you can have also thanks to Google, by example, you can have a clear view on the price of a product nowadays. So it's really key for us to be competitive and to have a clear strategy. With Pricefx tool, we are able to understand even better our customer needs and the segmentation we need to apply to serve them better. Defining value. We define value at Euromaster by finding the right balance between our margin and the volume of styles or product of service that we sell. Thanks to Pricefx setting capabilities, we are now able to analyze our sales to see how the volumes are moving, and for each segment we can be agile and reactive to optimize the revenues of our company. Defining balance. Balance for Euromaster is the way to find the right compromise between margin and volumes. We cannot be happy if we sell 2 volumes with a huge margin. We need to find the best way to optimize our global margin with most volume that we can sell at the best price for our customers. This notion of balance is key for Euromaster. If we do not sell enough, we will not have our point of sale full of customers, we will have some high cost, and we will not optimize our capability. Pricefx software allows us to make the right analysis and to know the evolution week after week of our margin and of our volumes. So it helps us to be reactive in a very competitive landscape. Best practices. Share best practices is really key for us. We serve many European customers in a lot of countries within Europe. And therefore, you cannot expect the same level of maturity in one team in Europe versus in another one. You have some good practices in a country, while some other countries need a bit help to grow. So it's really important to leverage everybody to the same level, and it will impact our revenues at the end in a very positive way. We need to harmonize and standardize our procedures and strategies within our European countries. We have some high achievement countries. We take the best practices and we deploy them thanks to the tool in other countries. And it helps us to drive our revenues higher. I would highly recommend to contact Pricefx if you want to improve your pricing capabilities. Like, share, and subscribe.